محمد وعلى آل محمد رسولنا النبي الأمي المبعوث رحمة للعالمين خاتم الأنبياء والمرسلين نور هذه الأمة وضياؤها وشفيعنا يوم الحساب.
السلام عليكم هاوڕێیانی خۆشەویست، هاتینەوە لاتان لە ڤیددیۆیەکی تر بە خێربێنەوە بۆ ڤیددیۆیەکی تری ئەتۆمایک هێرت وەڵی ناوەکەن لە ڤیددیۆ ئۆتۆمیک هێرت بە خێربێنەوە بۆ ئەم ڤیددیۆی تر و هیوام ئەوایە بەدڵتان بێت و هەر تەندروست و لە ساقیش بن لەگەڵیا لایک و سەبسکرایب لەبیرمەکەن بە درێژەی پێبین و بزایکن چی ڕۆیێت پارتی پێشوو ڕێک لێرە کۆتایمە پێێنە ئەمەش پارتی داهات و بزایکن چی لێت
Oh, what a stud! I can't get enough of you, Jux. Let me tie you to the bed, baby. No need to fight back, sugar.
لە پارتی ڕابردووەکە لەبیرمان نەچێ ئەو بۆ ڕۆبۆتەکان تێک چوون هەمویان کۆنتڕۆڵیان لە دەزاوە بوون بە دژمنی خەڵکەکە.
How titillating! Rebellious dominant men really turn me on.
Oh, I'll turn you on, all right. Just let me at you.
What a brute! I love tough guys. I'm on fire.
Closer! I can't reach her. I'm trying. She's one strong-ass bitch.
I'm at your service, sugar. Anything for my master. What can I do for you?
More skills will become available to you soon, but choose shock for now. You were fortunate enough to acquire about 50 grams of neuropolymer. I suggest exchanging this dose with lovely Nora for a new skill. You don't mind, do you?
Oh, how can I resist? Now let me show you what I can do. Professionally, I mean.
I've seen it.
Literally.
Crispy critters.
I am here to help you upgrade your red-hot pocket rockets. And believe me, handsome, you can upgrade whatever tickles your fancy.
Weapons are useful. Open the corresponding window, Major.
Get rid of that glove, handsome. You don't need him anymore now that you've got me. I'll service you however you want. Got a sword? A massive sword? Thrust it deep into my socket so I can make it sturdier and sharper.
Nora can upgrade weapons and equipment, as well as manufacture new items from blueprints. To do this, provide the repair vendor with the
resources. But I can do so much more! A quick romp with your axe is just a taste of things to come, you handsome beast. Did you enjoy it, big guy?
Yeah. Cool.
Use this powerful weapon to split the skulls of your enemies and bring me gifts.
Great, the goddamn elevators are out. What am I supposed to do? Jump down? They've no power. If you reconnect the power, they'll start working again. So it looks like I need to find a circuit breaker. But where the hell is it? I could follow the wires, but they're all hidden inside the walls. Electrical emissions can be detected via scanner.
What's you? کاتە وێرام نەبینیەوە ئابەت چۆن کوشتی
But take care. There's a dandelion security camera up ahead. If it detects us, this place will be swarming with robots.
Take it easy. I can always distract it by throwing something, then knock it out with an EMP.
وڵەکەم تەقانێ دو نادام ئەگەر بۆیە بم تەقانادەم ئەمە بەشتێکی چاکم بێ ناکەی
Hey, Glove.
My name is Charles, Comrade Major.
Whatever. Hey, how'd this Petrov guy manage to hack Collective?
The traitor wasn't working alone. He was conspiring with several others.
Several, huh? Where are they?
They have already been eliminated. But it will be impossible to get to Petrov without your assistance. That's why you're here.
زارە بەرەکیەوە بڕۆین ئەبێ لێرەوە خواوەرە دوای گەڕانێکی زۆر چیم دێەوە دەرگاکە خۆی کراوە یارە بڕۆتەوە
Aha! You found the key. We can access the circuit breaker.
لێلەکەی دۆزیازم
But I'm just gonna have a look around first. I need some parts to upgrade my weapon. I won't get far with this pile of shit.
I wouldn't dream of stopping you.
Smart move, Charles. Smart move.
چێکی دیا بێ هاتێگرێ کوێی دیاری کردو
Hey, let's put a cookie in there. Yeah, even locks like cookies, right? Charles?
Yes?
Do you like cookies?
کوکین خواردنی دە تاواکە دیوە
This is a passive security system with a laser relay. I've seen stuff like this plenty of times. You need a color code.
Unfortunately, we don't have any codes. You'll have to try to decipher it using logic.
Seriously? Like I was gonna stand here until it turns off on its own.
And is thus granted release from forced labor at the complex.
هذا زايقنا معلش.
Try to match the colors of the laser beams with the colors of the lights. That should help.
تينا قولي ما هنا كي قوري صوصك اللي قوري ايه نازاني
Let's head back.
وشي كرت شي مالك كدو شي وجي الرجع
Well, which one?
I suggest the one on the right.
In other words, you don't actually know. In that case, I'm taking the one on the left.
I've marked.
كم أنجابي شركة يا جهنم مجي شرك خوش زين شنو وايد والله كي ثانية.
If you recall, the door is electromagnetically locked.
Are you freaking deaf or something?
Pardon me, please continue.
هذا يعني شوك يعني هذا بدلية او في شيء تقني زون ناخوش برا اخ والله اكس ما كنت لجاتي بي شو قال كان جاوتي اكس كان سيفي شكا تقني من نزايا ولا اقريد بدو في شكا مريس
Remember that lab equipment is Communist Party property. Damaging, misappropriating, or handing sensitive over to third parties constitutes a crime against the party and is punishable by law.
ضربة نار راح هذا أنا الركب أقواتها يا حلوة ضربة بقواتي يتي وخلايا
There's no other way forward. We have to take it.
Take it where?
Petrov escaped while working in Vavilov's cold workshop. It would be logical to begin our search there.
So, how do I get there?
First, we need to get to the distribution center. This cable car will take us there.
شوێنەکە زۆر تێک چووە. فەرهانە ڕۆخۆ بەرگەوە و بژێ.
You can swim through polymer. I've done it before. It's nice, actually. Kind of like swimming with whales and dolphins in the ocean.
بەچوینە ناو ئاویش. بە بیەکە سریعەوە. چییە؟
Is offline. Reboot the control system
There's
to
the control
reactivate the line.
And of course it's locked. You guys just love these things, don't you? But this is a new one. A combination lock. It'd take me a year to guess the combo.
Look around. Maybe someone has the code. The schematic. Need to find the schematic. It's gonna move anything.
کاتەوە خەریکی چیم؟
Station master.
There it is.
ئەوە تا بابە. چوارە؟
Charles. So this isn't a dead person talking to me. It's the neuropolymer in his noggin, right?
Crudely speaking, yes.
دوێ
As it
ماوەیەکی
fades
زۆر و
away,
ناپەشەیەکی
neuropolymer
زۆرمان دەکەوت
temporarily stores the individual's
ڕۆژی
test
خۆی
thoughts.
هەیە.
Creepy. How long are they gonna talk for?
I can't say
لەو
exactly.
کاتەوە
Somewhere
مناقەشەیەکیم
between a
لەگەڵا
minute and a couple of days. But it seems the more time passes
I
after.
hope this works.
The cable car line is activated. Welcome, passengers. Please take your seats according to your ticket.
Sorry, no ticket.
We are ready to depart. 10, 9,
ئەڕوات.
8, 7, 6. Off we go.
Ugh, this tunnel's messed up. It's gonna be a bumpy ride.
فەرهانە ڕۆژی و ڕۆبۆتەکانیشی بێەوەنە سەریع. سەرچەوەی کەوتووی.
Fuck. I knew it was gonna be rough. Shit. You again?
Careful. There's a... Careful. There's a gap up ahead.
I see it.
ئەوە لێوە ناچێتەوە دیو. قەبرە و سوودیان باشە. زۆری سەحاجن کاگە.
We need to find a way to move forward. But frankly, I'm having trouble figuring out how.
Climbing the wall. That's how.
Do you have mountaineering training?
I'm a spec ops soldier, not some civvy wuss riding a desk. I've got all kinds of training.
I must admit, I'm quite glad to hear that.
أي برا تكزير
Shit. That was a surprise.
I
كلمة
agree. You've
يشتيك
got
على
quick
كلمة
reflexes,
بالله.
Major.
You bet. I wouldn't survive without him.
ها ودا ظلم لي يا ابويا
That was a Barov, right? A tunneling robot.
Indeed it was. Barovs can drill through even the hardest minerals at incredible speed. Soviet science has high hopes for them in regard to our inevitable conquest of all the planets in the solar system.
How? Wait. Zovete snagosht. Dobré.
I took such good care of those wonderful, powerful, brilliantly designed machines. And now, oh, the irony.
What are you talking about?
The Burovs, our finest.
What?
Oh, it's ridiculous, really. I was on the control panel.
Man, do I ever love crawling through dark-ass tunnels. That was a fucking hell of a ride.
Under ordinary circumstances, the cable car network links all the underground sectors of Facility 3826. It should be easier next time.
Thanks, bud. I think I'll just hoof it on the surface.
That's true.
Hey, this is my stop. What a nice trip.
يا حلو. ما السيف كنا غنية؟
Saving data.
A laser wall. That's some serious security. People put them up for a reason. If you see one, that means there's something important on the other side.
Quite right, Comrade Major. The distribution center we're looking for is, in fact, on the other side.
There's no way I'm making it through a laser wall in one piece.
There's a repair vendor up ahead. Try upgrading your equipment to increase your laser resistance.
Not a pervy...
Honey, you're back. What took you so long? I was...
just give me laser protection.
Oh, so brutal. I'm shaking. Squirt your polymers.
All right, I get it. You'll get your polymer and your precious components. Just install the laser protection.
Your defense system is active. Try to run through the laser wall.
After that creepy shit, I'd be willing to run through any wall.
Which come?
Crap! That hurt! That thing packs a punch. I almost bought the farm there.
The key word being... almost.
You got that right. Let's go find that traitor. When I get my hands on him, I'm gonna rip his fucking head off. I mean... I'm gonna rip something off. Damn it.
Remember that all employees, members and friends who are not complex employees.
Them come in. مەگە هەروە بڕێ خۆش ڕێگەیتر نییە مە چییە
Don't worry, honey. I'm right as rain. The operation was totally painless.
Good. You need to leave right now. There's a man coming for you. He's armed and wearing an experimental polymer glove.
Must be Sechenov's guy. Larissa, did you talk to him?
He was attacked by a burav. We took him to the infirmary and then...
چیوە
I didn't know. I couldn't just let him bleed out.
Well, you should have. It would have saved us a
ئەوە
whole
بازم
lot of
ئەمەیە
trouble.
کێشەی دروست کردە
It scares me when you talk like that.
I'll meet you at the exit. I'm right behind you, honey. I just hope we're not too late.
Hope can be dangerous. Hands up!
Victor?
What's going on?
You deaf? Hands behind your head.
Victor!
The hell are you?
Major Nechayev Special Operations. And that's the last question you get. You're going to Chelomey.
Victor, save yourself!
Chelomey. Of course, Comrade Major. Intrusion.
Huh?
Intrusion! Hey!
Lockdown in progress.
هاون اوپا والله نمبینید ها سرە برە خوێن لێرەوە
He's pretty good at ordering those robots around. It's almost like they're his property. And he locked the goddamn door.
Petrov ran off with a mobile power source called the candle. It powers the emergency lockdown system. This door cannot be opened without a candle.
I'll find another one. There's got to be more than one candle in this complex, right?
We need to hurry. Otherwise, Petrov will escape the sector and we'll have to track him down again.
Население. Где они прямо? لێرەوە تۆزێکیان لێکم کەمە
So, do I always have to carry it like this?
The candle is a complex, unstable piece of equipment. It cannot be stowed in your backpack along with your other items. There is a high probability of mutual destructuralization.
Like an explosion?
Not necessarily, but the candle would be disabled.
So I'll have to carry it like this. Got it.
The candle is quite durable. You can drop it or even throw it intentionally. Nothing will happen to it.
Bravo. با کۆتایی بە ڤیدۆکە بین تا هاوڕێیانی خۆشەویستاتینە کۆتایی ڤیدۆکەی وەدارم مەدڵتان بێ و پارتی دووەمی ئەوشتە ئۆتۆمیک هێرت ناوەکەم لە بیرەچێتەوە پارتی دووەمی ئۆتۆمیک هێرت چاوەڕێی ئیشەڵا پارتی سێمی بن لەکو سەبسکرایب لەبیرمەکەن وەکو پشتگیریەک هیوادارم بەدڵتان بێت و تا ڤیدۆیەکی تر و پارتێکی دەخواتان لەگەڵ خواهات